I've been using this Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. Not the greatest. I'm still looking for something with more slip, but for now it'll do. So first I finger detangle my hair, trying to get out as many knots as possible before I run the brush through. Spray some water on it to assist, and then I get my detangling brush. This one I got from Walmart. It works really, really well. Just make sure your hair is fully moisturized. Length check. I've dusted a couple of times since I started going natural, so it's not quite as long as one would expect, but it's at least healthy at the ends. So now I am twisting, and I'll speed this up for you because you get it, right? When I get towards the end, I like to brush it again. As you see, there's a little too much resistance there, so I'm going to spray it with water again. Brush through. You'll see the curls start to coil. That's really good. And then I continue to twist, so that way the ends are smooth. And I like to extra twist the end, and there, another length check with it twisted. And that bounce is good. It means your hair is healthy. So I'm going to do the same thing all throughout my hair, getting all of the sections. And right now I'm just checking out my curl pattern. I do have a couple different curl patterns in my hair. Most of my hair looks like this. Towards the kitchen, which is the back bottom of the hair at the top of the neck and around my ears, I have more of a 3C, and then as you see here, it's more of a 4A curl pattern. Next day, this is some shea butter. I'm untwisting my hair with the shea butter on my fingers so that it's not dry, to reduce the frizz. I didn't let it dry all the way, so I didn't get as much length retention as I would want, but I had a job to do in the morning, so I had to untwist my hair. Well, I didn't have to, but I chose to. So normally I would let it dry thoroughly, which takes over a day. As you see here, some of the curls are retained, some of it's a little more loose. I like to completely unravel everything, and I've sectioned it in 2 sections, put it in 2 ponytails, and then bound them both together with a hair tie. And that's it. Thanks for watching.